All right, everybody has been really liking this dash that we put in our square body, so I'm gonna show y'all a little bit about it. Put it on, doesn't take very long to start up. Look at that, look at that. It's got everything you need. Check engine light, which ours isn't on, and we just don't have the vehicle started. It's got your temperature gauge, it's got your gas, it's got your oil pressure, everything. And then you can go through the gauges and change it. So we can go, you turn this little knob right here and you go to display. You can do display 1, display 2. It looks pretty cool. Just change it to the next display. Display 3. I like that one as well. Oh, whoops. And then you got the 4th display. I like it. I like it. Do you like it?
I hadn't seen that one. That one looks cool.
Yeah. It does look good.